thank you so much for being here for the Galaxy M14 5G launch. This is truly a monster 5G product from the house of Samsung and the latest addition to the Galaxy M series. This comes with the segment best, the 6000 mAh battery and a 25-watt fast adaptive charging, the 50 megapixel triple AI camera, and the segment leading 5 nanometer Exynos 133 processor for the multitasking needs. Truly, this is going to be a 5G experience that the consumers will truly enjoy. It's in the 10 to 20K price segment. And last year when we had launched the M13, that has been the highest selling smartphone in 2022. And with the Galaxy M14, we look forward to creating another milestone in the history of the M series. So like I mentioned, the Galaxy M13 in 2022 was the highest selling model in the 10 to 20K price segment. And with the Galaxy M14, we look forward to actually overcoming that milestone.